If you're a mom who's ever thought, I want to make some extra money, but I don't have much time to dedicate towards this video is for you. This is exactly where I was about a year and a half ago when I started content creation. And that just unfurled into so many different income opportunities for me. But when I started with that core thing of like, okay, I cannot go get a second job right now. I need to be able to do something from home. I've seen so many people be able to make money online and have more flexibility doing that. So what is something that I can do that can just give us a couple extra $100 a month to be able to pay for more groceries, gas, or just be able to have some more fun money? So I'm breaking down in this video 5 side hustles that moms can start in 2025 and going into 2026. So the first side hustle, and one that I use today and probably do the most, is UGC creation. Now, this has become more saturated in 2025, so being strategic about it is important if you want to have success in it. It's not just something that you can kind of have, not do well and then not really put a lot of effort into it and then think it's going to do well. So user generated content is just regular moms like you and me creating short form content for brands that they can then use in paid advertising or organically on their website, social media. But it creates a new level of trust with their audience that can be really helpful for them. And it's really awesome because a lot of times when you're a mom, you need things like strollers and baby formula and diapers and all of these products, right? Well, the beautiful thing about UGC is typically it's not content that's going to go on your own social media. Typically it's just you creating video content for a brand to be able to use and share on their platform. But the beautiful thing is that whenever you work with them, you're always going to be getting free product from them. And so you can do UGC. You can start out by taking gifted collabs. I have a lot of videos that talk about UGC, so definitely check those out if you're interested in this. But then as you add more videos to your portfolio, you can work on getting paid collaborations. So maybe if you're just getting started and you're like, man, I would really just love to not have to pay for some of these products that I need, go ahead and reach out to brands that you love and use all the time and just let them know that you are starting out as a UGCer and you are absolute huge fan of their product and you would love to create some content for them. Basically, you can really grab any product in your kitchen or your house and go ahead and start creating some sample content to be able to share with brands. And as long as you have an iPhone or a smartphone and you know how to take a video and edit it, do a simple editing, that sort of thing, you can start UGC for the most part. And by the way, if you are serious about making actual money with UGC, like you're serious, you're like, okay, I want to make my first $200 with UGC, I do have a full starter kit that includes everything I wish I had when I started and a lot of tools that I have developed and created over the years that over the past year and a half that have really helped me to make a regular income out of UGC. So that's going to be linked below, so feel free to check that out. Side hustle number 2 is affiliate marketing. So if you're not very familiar with affiliate marketing, it's pretty much just earning a commission through links that you share with your audience. So if you're on social media or you have friends that you're constantly sharing things from your house or maybe outfits that you wear or just favorite things that you use when you travel, you can actually use platforms like Amazon Associates, LTK, ShopMy to be able to link those products that you love and share those with other people. And then whenever someone purchases something through the link that you have shared, you're going to get a small percentage back. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to be able to create some passive income, especially if you have a blog or something that's kind of like a static place, or if you're active on social media. It's really easy to, as you're sharing an outfit that you love, to go ahead and share a link to that for people to be able to shop the outfit that you're wearing as well. Side hustle number 3 is Amazon on-site video reviews. I also have more videos on my channel that dive right into how you can get approved for the program and more in depth on what this program is. But this has been a great form of passive income for me. Pretty much you're creating short product review videos that show up directly on Amazon product pages. It's truly passive. So once the video is uploaded, I've had months where I forgot about it and then Amazon deposited money into my account because someone watched that video and then purchased the product. So it's a huge win. Definitely, there's a pro tip to just focus on mid to high priced products for better commissions. So if all you're doing is doing like $5 or $10 makeup products, you're not going to see much income come in from that. But if you're doing things more like gym equipment or I don't know, like appliances or electronics, like tech things, you're going to see a higher kickback on those products. And side hustle number 4 is freelance services. So you can use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. There's also plenty more freelance services out there. And you can just sell any services. So if you have a skill that people would need for their business, maybe it's social media management, maybe it's virtual assistants, copywriting, Pinterest management, anything like that, you can actually create a profile on one of these platforms and be able to sell those services and get paid for them. This can be great for moms because it can be done during flexible hours. It's on a project basis, so you can control how many projects you take on at a time, and it can be totally flexible. So if you don't want to work for a month or 2 months, or you're on maternity leave or something, you can just pause it. And then with that, I would just start with one offer. Don't overcomplicate it. Just start with something and kind of perfect and grow in that. And let's jump into side hustle number 5, which is opening an Etsy shop. So I have started and opened up, I think it was pretty successful for the most part, in Etsy shop. And when I started, I did hand lettering because that was a skill that it kind of started out as a hobby, but then people started like seeing my work and started commissioning me for projects for them. So there's so many beautiful, incredible things that you can create and put on Etsy, and people will shop and purchase from you. So some ideas are doing printables like chore charts, planners, kids activity sheets, personalized gifts like mugs, shirts, baby milestone cards, crafts like candles, jewelry, crochet, quilting, home decor. Just start with 1 to 3 products so that you don't get too overwhelmed, and then just expand as you go and you kind of get more into a rhythm for it. Bonus digital downloads are a good way to create some passive incomes because you can create them once and then sell forever. So that's perfect for it's perfect for moms, I think. And then just to recap on all of these 5 side hustles, number 1 was UGC creation. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Number 3, Amazon on-site video reviews. Number 4, freelance services. And number 5, open an Etsy shop. So whether you're looking for something flexible, creative, or passive, there is a side hustle that fits your season of your life as a mom, and you don't have to do them all. Just pick one and get started. When I first started, I feel like I tried to dive too much into everything, and it really slowed me being able to do any of them well. So if that's one thing that you could learn from me, is like pick one thing, start it, do it well, and once you've got that really under wraps, then move on to the next thing. So last thing is that you can grab your free 7-day side hustle plan in the description. And if you're ready for a step-by-step toolkit, make sure to check out my UGC starter kit, and make sure you don't miss out on my other videos about like how I made money with LTK affiliate links, how to create Amazon on-site, how to get approved for that program, or how to become an Amazon affiliate. I hope this helps, and I will see you on the next video.